Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your TradingView account. First, navigate to the TradingView website and choose to create a free account using your email or a social media login. Once registered, take a moment to explore the different subscription plans offered. Understanding the benefits of a paid subscription, such as more indicators or layouts, can help you decide if an upgrade is right for your trading needs. Now, let's personalize your charting experience. You can easily adjust chart types, like candlesticks or bars, and select your preferred timeframes from 1 minute to 1 month. Experiment with different color schemes to find what works best for you. Add essential indicators and drawing tools to analyze market movements effectively. Remember to save your customized chart layouts so you can quickly access them later. Next, we'll set up watch lists and alerts to keep you informed. Create and organize multiple watch lists for different asset classes, like stocks, crypto, or forks. This helps you monitor specific instruments efficiently. Set up price alerts to receive notifications when an asset reaches a certain level, ensuring you never miss a key market move. Also, utilize the integrated newsfeed for real-time market updates. Finally, dive into TradingView's advanced features and community. Explore sophisticated charting tools, like custom scripts and backtesting, to refine your trading strategies. Connect with a global community of traders to share ideas, learn from others, and participate in discussions. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your trading sessions. This platform offers a wealth of resources for continuous learning and growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.